So for number 7, we have to determine the propositional form and truth value for each of the following. So for A, our P is 2 is odd, and this is false. So our propositional form, it is not the case that 2 is odd, so not 2 is odd, so not P. So not false is true. Let's do B. So B, we actually have 2 propositions here. We have P. P is equal to, so P, f of x is e of x, and it is increasing. So it is increasing, and this is true. And Q, f of x equals e of x, is concave up. This is also true. So our propositional form is P and Q. Now, P and Q, we have true and true, so the result is true. This is the truth value for the propositional form. Now let's do C. So for C, we have 2 propositions here. We have P, 7 is a factor of 70, which is true. 7 is a factor of 70, which is true. And now let us write our other proposition here, which is, let's see, Q, 5 is a factor of 70, which is also true. So our propositional form is also, wow, this is going out again. It's also P and Q. So we have here true, and therefore this is true. Now, lastly, we have here the propositions Perth or Panama City or Pisa is located in Europe. So for D, we have P, Perth is in, let me just move that over, Europe. So this is false. We have the Q, Panama City is in Europe. And this is also false. And lastly, we have Pisa is in Europe. And this one is true. So our propositional form here is P or Q or R. So we have false or true, which ends up being true. So let me just zoom out. Yeah, so these are the propositional forms and their truth values.